going on? Listen, this is what I got going on so far. So earlier, I did. Is it still hot? Yeah, I did this. So before it was turned straight down, I done messed up one of my Jordans, the red 5s, and yeah, no, it just keep burning me. I mean, it wasn't even supposed to be for this thing, so I just rebuild it. Got it going straight back again. Yep, so had put spacers up, blah blah blah. Engine kinda crooked, kinda, but I mean, it still work. Still got it working. Chain ain't hitting, none of that. Put a spacer in, boom, done. No more chain issues, because before this thing kept on popping. Got it going like this. Got this here to make sure it wraps around this sprocket no matter what. This top part doesn't matter, of course, because the engine's gonna be pulling it. This is gonna keep this down. So that's what we're working with. Eventually, I'm gonna build this torque converter to be better. I mean, eventually I might have to get a 40 series, because the motor gonna get bigger. Shit. So yep, that's how we rocking. Right now I'm about to cut, because I had bars cut out for whatever for to sit in the back, but cutting them off because it look tacky. So clean this up, smooth it out, learn to smooth my wheels out more, like clean my wheels up. You don't want no messy wheels. So yeah, bitch, I'm in the paint this thing. I ain't got no black paint right now, nor can I get any. So when the money comes, yeah, I'll check y'all next time.